Welcome back. We're going to make my uber cool disco wreath, and I'm going to share with you how to funk up your disco balls and turn them any colour you want. So stay tuned for that trick. Let's get to it. This is everything that you will need. I've made a list in the description and links to purchase. We're going to take the wreath ring and we're going to take the wire. And you're going to cut about 40 centimetres. We are going to straighten that up and then bend it in half. And I'm going to take my fingers and loop it at one end and twist. Now that loop where my fingers are is going to be where you hang it from. So I'm going to get the wreath ring and place the hook or the loop side at the back or the flat side, and we're going to twist it round. And then I'm going to take some hot glue and just put a dot on the top where I've twisted it and further down. Now be careful, the glue is hot obviously. So we're going to take the disco balls, which are in fact actually tree decorations, and pull the tops out. And we're going to place a nice blob of hot glue and position it on the wreath and hold it for a little longer just so it sets. So carry on and leave some spaces to put like the flowers and the dolls, and yeah, just fill, but leaving those gaps. So I'm going to put a big old flower here and here just to like balance it out. I like to go around after attaching some of the petals to each other and some foliage. Now it's just a case of filling with some disco balls of different sizes and maybe put some more flowers on until your heart's content. Now for the exciting part, the alcohol inks. This is how we colour our disco balls. Now I want to save you time and money. I went straight to Amazon when I knew you had to use alcohol inks, and I bought this collection, £25, absolute waste of time. So I have found the best ones. And I'm going to show you the bad ones. I'm going to show you how they come out, and I'm going to show you the good ones so you can actually see all the details of where to buy these ones. They are bigger bottles. It's in the section below. So here we go. Use a glove. Let's use the bad ones first. Should we choose a yellow? So get yourself a little pot. I'm going to use the lid and the bottom. So I'm going to use the lid for the terrible one. Look, it soaks it all up. Here we go. Look at that. Right, that. Can you see that? I don't even know if you can see that. Can you see that? Can you? Right, that's that one. Okay, then let's do the good one. So just to show you, they're both the yellow. That's how yellow is. What's this? Sunbright yellow, and this one they call lemon. But the mango, just so you know, that isn't yellow. So let's put the equivalent in of the good one. Look how different that is. Look at the difference. Okay, don't waste your money. I'm going to show you another colour comparison, but look at that, absolutely stunning. So there's the good one. Look at the bad one. You can't even see. That's how poor it is. Terrible. Using really fine art brushes helps you get right through into the polystyrene. Already this is looking insanely gorgeous. So I filled in all the gaps and I can't believe how beautiful it looks. So you just can keep going. You can add more flowers, more balls, different sizes, more foliage, and you won't be able to stop, to be honest. Okay, let's add some bits and bobs of broken toys. I'm going for dolls. and I'm just going to make them look like they're having a party. Now, whatever you decide to glue onto your disco ball wreath, just sit it on, look where it's touching, and then put a big blob of hot glue and hold it firmly and attach it to anything else it's next to, just to give it a bit of extra security. I hope you enjoyed that. Doesn't it look great? Check out the description for all the links and products that I use. If you're still here, check out this video.